Hi YouTube, we're going to cover Don't Play With Guns by the Black Angels. It's good life advice. Alright. Now this song is in the key of F sharp. So that means we're at the second fret. We're playing power chords. You can play them any way you want. You can play them like this. It's like a full bar chord. You can just play them with your pinky and ring finger. But somehow you got to hold down the low E string at the second fret, and then you have to hold down the A string at the fourth fret. That's really all you need. If you want to get go a little, a little farther, you could hold down the D string at the fourth fret as well. And then the riff for the verse is just to lift up the E. And that I'm saying the E string, the low E string, is what you're playing when you lift your finger up. So that's kind of a relatively easy riff. Just play it slow at first, until you don't have to think about it. Now Josephine, she was a loner. Her fortunes, incredible lies. Her problems are now your problems. I had a gun until the day she dies. Then we're going to take that same shape. We're going to switch from the 6, 5, and 4 strings down to the 5, 4, and 3 strings. That's on the chorus. Okay, so don't play with guns, don't play with guns. Then you go back to the F sharp on the 6th string root. Back to the B, and that is at the 2nd fret on your A string, and then on your D and G strings at the 4th fret. That's B, power chord. And you don't have to lift your finger on that one. You can just kind of strum it. Chug it out. Don't play with guns, don't play with guns. Now that's all the chorus. The first, I think, 2 times it just does B back to F sharp. Now let me say, you can play this B up at the 7th fret. Just use, and then you're playing again the exact same shape you're playing at the F sharp. You just slide it up to the 7th fret. And then you can, take your finger off and play that E. But I don't think you need to. You can just kind of don't play with guns. But I would say if you're just learning the song, and I would say it's better to learn to shift string sets. Because in pop, in all music, on the guitar, the 1 chord is right above the 4 chord. So in this case, F sharp is the 1 chord, B is the 4 chord. So if you can, that's a real common movement, and that's why the guitar is set up this way. Now, after the second chorus, don't play with guns, Then they go new chord. It's C sharp, played at the 4th and 6th frets. But it's the exact same shape you were playing for the B. You just slide it up 2 frets. And then we're going to reach the 7th fret, and this is the E. The chord is E, but you're going to play this one at the 7th and on the A string, and the 9th fret for the D and the G. So at the end of the 2nd chorus, it goes C sharp, back to the F sharp. There's no lyrics or anything, no words being sung, just kind of little extra rocking out. Might even repeat. And you know, these slide, you know, sometimes you don't want to hear it. In this song, it sounds cool, I think, and I kind of hear it in the recording. All right, that's all the parts to Don't Play with Guns by the Black Angels. And real catchy song by them. And this is more for beginners, so this is a great beginner song. Just make sure you put some kind of distortion on your guitar. That'll make your power chord sound more full. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It helps me out. But in any case, have a great day. Bye-bye.